Hello everyone present here. I'm Pradnya Kumbhare, currently a third year undergraduate from IIT Bombay from in electrical engineering department, and I am a research intern at Maritime Research Center. And today I'll be presenting on sediment transport study. Let's first talk about why sediment transport study is important. So the monsoon season in India, it causes excessive siltation because of high speed of water, and our reservoirs are losing their storage capacity because of sedimentation. And sediment transport study is thus very important to understand the damage that is being caused to national economy. Erosion and aggradation, these are two most important geological and natural processes that are responsible for bringing down large amount of sediment. And to solve this, policymakers are addressing sediment transport deposition and erosion. Sustainable practices can balance sediment flow while maintaining river health, as understanding this unique sediment dynamics of Indian rivers is extremely important. So the unique characteristics of Indian tropical rivers. So Indian tropical rivers, they exhibit several unique characteristics that makes them unique from other rivers in other region. Rivers flow remain consistent throughout the year, whereas the Western Ghats serve as the main water divide for peninsular India. Now, because of the unique geological context, as the Himalayas are relatively new mountain ranges, it continues to grow at the rate of about 10 millimeter per year. And the Himalayan rivers carry a mixture of loose mud, silt, pebbles, soft rocks due to the ongoing tectonic processes and sedimentary rock composition. So, in my project, I studied three case studies, and the first one is the Brahmaputra River. Brahmaputra River spans four northeastern states of India that are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, and Nagaland. It drains an extensive area. A lots of soil is lost annually due to erosion, carrying away dissolved crop nutrients and into various sinks as well. According to the Brahmaputra board under Indian Ministry of Water Resources, the river's course has frequently changed due to high silt deposition, and the excessive silt has led to braiding and meandering pattern in reverse line. I studied the HECRA's 4.1 model. It is a one-dimensional computer-based simulation model which is employed to analyze the quasi-unsteady flow, whose simulation is used for development of the model of Brahmaputra River. Now, in the context of Brahmaputra River, which is responsible for frequent floods and losses of lives, accurate forecasting becomes crucial for human safety. However, the existing data and the information available for forecasting are inadequate, and it poses a significant challenge in today's time. Now, talking about the methodology of this model, the calibration process involves the observed flow data to determine the appropriate roughness coefficient. And by comparing different roughness coefficient with the observed values at this different river sites, we can find Manning coefficient, which can further be used for channelization of Brahmaputra River. Let's move to the second case study, that is JNPT Queen. So the Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust, which is situated in Navi Mumbai, is the second youngest and most important modern major port in the country. The channel length was extended from 29.5 kilometers to 33.5 kilometers, and JNP has further proposed deepening and widening the existing channel to meet the depth requirement of these new generation ships. These results indicate that the sediment resuspended due to dredging operations is unlikely to disperse into tidal flats. My third case study is the Cochin Port. So Cochin Port is located in the state of Kerala in the southwest India. Lies major to it lies major to major international sea routes, and it has explored strategies to enhance the dredging efficiency, including allowing ships to partially navigate through fluid mud. A comprehensive approach involves a detailed understanding of siltation processes and establishing a safe threshold for water depth, draft, and under clearance to ensure this ship navigation through fluid mode. Over 20 million cubic meters of siltation occur annually, uh, which necessitates the need of maintenance dredging, and it is a significant cost for the coaching. So here are a few recommendations of dredging in Cochin Port. The container vessel would require the additional dredging in offshore part of outer channel, while the additional dredging during a monsoon is required in the nearshore part of the outer and inner channel, while less dredging effort is required in LNG terminal and minor reduction is suggested in ICT terminal. Uh, Lastly, uh, let's look forward to the numerical models for sediment transport and harbor. It can be created in the areas with severe siltation challenges once we grasp the local conditions and gather accurate data. Now, identifying the sources and causes of siltation can easily be determined by this model. Yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you everyone for your time. Have a great day.